Hey guys, Mike Bowers with Bowers Backyard Barbecue, having fun with today. We're going to, as you can see there, Terry Black's Barbecue in Dallas, Texas. Never had the chance to make it to one in Austin, so I'm really excited to have one here close by to where I live. Let's go inside.
Everything's post oak. You don't use any hickory, you don't use any mesquite, you don't use any apple or maple or fruity. All post oak.
But he shows up.
Oh, the pop socket? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Okay, the line went pretty fast. I got 2 ribs, some turkey, and some lean brisket. Looks a little dry, but the fatty looks really moist. We'll give it a taste test here in a moment. As far as sides, I got the mac and cheese. All right, let's dig in. First up, the brisket. I got the lean. Looks pretty good. Not too bad. Give it a try. It's a good brisket. I taste more salt, the hint of pepper. I'm gonna be honest, it tastes a little bit like roast beef, but that's okay. It's still a good flavorful brisket. I'll have to try the moist next time, see what that's like. Next up, we're gonna try some of the turkey. Turkey's good. It's lightly seasoned. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper as well. Doesn't really overpower at all, and not an overpowering smoke whatsoever. It's a pretty solid piece of turkey. Not the best that I've had recently, but still pretty good. Next up, this pork rib. Check it out. Look at that bark, that color, and the moisture. This thing is unbelievable. It's good. Let's give it a try. That rib is unbelievable. It tastes better than it looks. A little pepper, a little sweetness, perfectly cooked. Dadgum, that's some good food. Alright, so far I am a little disappointed in the brisket, but it's still a very, very good brisket. I'd come back and explore it each time. Turkey, again, good. I'm enjoying turkey these days, as you know. That rib, damn guys, that rib is good. Alright, so I'll give you a summary here in just a minute. Alright, so I am done with my meal. Do the high and low here. I would say the low point was the brisket, unfortunately. The brisket just had that roast beef, pot roast type flavor to it. Still good, and I ate a good portion of it. Highlight is the ribs. The ribs, phenomenal. Very moist. Sweet, peppery. It was a fantastic rib. But this place is new to Dallas. It's been in Austin for a while. Right down the road from Pecan Lodge in Dallas, for those who've been there, they're going to have some competition for sure now. As I was coming in, I saw the line at Pecan Lodge looked to be about 45 minutes long. Here at Terry Black's, it was 10 minutes long. And, I haven't been in Pecan Lodge in about a year, but Terry Black's is better barbecue. I will do a review very soon at Pecan Lodge, just to be fair. But right now, I would definitely have to put Terry Black's above Pecan Lodge. So guys, if you're in Dallas, definitely check them out. Also, be sure to like, subscribe, and now it's time to stoke the fire.